Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Old School Runescape. Making gold pieces, or GP, is absolutely crucial for your journey here. Whether you're aiming for better gear, skill training, or just a cool new cosmetic, almost everything comes with a price tag. Luckily, the world of Gleaner offers countless ways to fill your coin pouch, so you'll always find a method that suits your play style and current skill levels. Just starting out in Old School Runescape? No problem, you can begin earning GP almost immediately. Simple activities like gathering resources are fantastic ways to get your first millions. Try mining iron ore in the Al-Kharid mine or fishing shrimp and sardines. These sell well to other players. Even collecting drops from low-level monsters, such as cows or goblins, can quickly add up, giving you a solid foundation. As your character grows stronger and your skills advance, even more lucrative paths become available. Many players find success with Barrow's Runs, a fun combat activity that can drop incredibly valuable unique items and a steady stream of runes. Or, for a more relaxed approach, try the farming skill. Planting and harvesting herbs from your patches provides a consistent, almost passive income, letting you earn money while doing other things. For the dedicated and high-level adventurers, the very best money-making methods await. Engaging in high-level bossing or tackling raids like the Theater of Blood can net you incredible profits per hour, often in the millions. Alternatively, mastering the Grand Exchange by flipping items, buying low and selling high, is a fantastic way to generate passive wealth. Even minigames such as the Gauntlet are very rewarding for skilled players looking for a challenge. Beyond just choosing a method, smart money management is key to long-term wealth. Always use the Grand Exchange for buying and selling. It's the most efficient way to trade in Old School Runescape. Consistency is also crucial. Regularly doing your chosen activity ensures a steady income. And finally, stay informed, research new methods, and be ready to adapt your strategy as the game's economy naturally evolves over time, keeping your coin pouch full.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.